Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. 1. Chloro-4-nitrobenzene, parachloronitrobenzene. The number 2 group is at C1 and Cl is at C4. Moving on to the next step. The chloro group at C4 undergoes nucleophilic aromatic substitution, SNAR, because the nitro group at C1 activates the ring toward nucleophilic attack at C4. The Cl is replaced by NH2, giving 4-nitroaniline, 1-amino-4-nitrobenzene as product A. Moving on to the next step. The amino group, NH2, is a powerful ortho-para director. Bromination of 4-nitroaniline with Br2H2O gives tribromination. Actually, with 4-nitroaniline, the NH2 group directs to ortho and para positions relative to itself. The nitro group is already at the para position relative to NH2. So bromination occurs at the two ortho positions, C3 and C5 relative to NH2, which are C3 and C5 with NH2 at C1 and number 2 at C4. This gives 2,6-dibromo-4-nitroaniline, i.e. NH2 at C1 Br at C2 Br at C6 number 2 at C4 as product B. With excess Br2H2O, the NH2 group in aniline undergoes dibromination at both ortho positions predominantly yielding to 6-dibromo-4-nitroaniline. And for the final step, treatment with I-nano2 plus HCl converts the NH2 to a diazonium salt, N2 plus Cl. Then, 2H3PO2, hypophosphorus acid, replaces the diazonium group with H, reductive dehalogenation of diazonium. This removes the amino diazonium group entirely, replacing it with H. The product C therefore has H at C1, where NH2 was, Br at C2 number 2 at C4 Br at C6. This is 1,3-dibromo-5-nitrobenzene, i.e. number 2 at C1, renumbered Br at C3 and C5, which matches option B, a benzene ring with number 2 at top, C1, and Br at C3 and C5, meta to each other, both meta to number 2. Why other options fail? A. Shows to Br groups adjacent, ortho to each other, with number 2 which doesn't match the 2,6-dibromo pattern after diazonium removal. C. Shows to Br groups ortho to number 2 and ortho to each other. D. Shows Br at C2 and C4 relative to number 2 inconsistent with the substitution pattern. Option B correctly represents 1,3-dibromo-5-nitrobenzene arising from removal of the amino group from 2,6-dibromo-4-nitroaniline. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.